Want your Android phone to actually say the name of the person calling you? So instead of checking the screen, you can immediately know who's calling just by hearing their name. It's super useful when your phone isn't in your hand, and here's how to turn it on. First, open the phone app on your Android phone. Once you're on the keypad screen, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner. From here, select Settings. Next, look for Answering and Ending Calls and tap on it. Now, find the option called Read Caller Names Aloud. Turn this feature on, then tap on it to access the additional settings. Here, you'll have two options. Choose Always if you want your phone to announce the caller's name every time you receive a call. But if you'd rather keep things a little more private, select Over Bluetooth and Headphones Only. This way, the caller's name will only be announced when your phone is connected to Bluetooth or headphones. And you know how sometimes your phone says something once and you're like, wait, who was that? Well, there's another useful option called Read Caller Names Twice. Turn this on and your phone will announce the caller's name twice, so you're less likely to miss it. And that's it. Now the next time someone calls you, you won't even have to look at your screen to know who it is. Give it a try, and if you didn't know your Android phone could do this, subscribe for more simple Android tips and hidden features like this one. See you in the next video.